Hi viewers, Khuram Janjua here for you, and once again I have brought for you the 5 alternative words, and today is the part 3, and I'm going to discuss the word for you. And the first word is goodbye, and there are 5 alternative words for goodbyes are see you, I'll be back next week, farewell. Today we are saying farewell to a lot of people. 3, I'll catch you later. You are going now, I'll catch you later then. Take care, I'll see you when you are back. And 5-1 is cheerio, and we'll see you tomorrow, but cheerio for now. Let's go for the next one. Next one is child. There are many 5 words for the alternative word childs are. The first one is little one. The adults are having wine and there's apple juice for the little ones. The next one is youngster. I loved riding my bike when I was a youngster. The third one is kid. Abid's just a kid. He is not allowed to work. A young son. Can I have child seat for the young un? Nipper. I was just a nipper when we lived here. The next one is great. 5 alternative words to great. Awesome. I love your shoes. Where did you get them? They are awesome. Next one is superb. I watched a superb documentary about space travel last night. Next one is stunning. Have you seen Mina's artwork? It's stunning. 4-1 is stupendous. That was a stupendous meal and the best I have ever tasted. The 5th one is tremendous. That's a tremendous song. Play it again. The next word is cute. The first one is sweet. The way she looks at me is so sweet. I can't say no to anything she asks for. Dinky. That's such a dinky little kitten. And what's its name? Adorable. Jamila's looks adorable in her new dress. Charming. There are some charming ornaments in that shop window. And dainty. Melanie is wearing a very dainty outfit. The next word is tired, and there are 5 synonyms and alternative word. The 5 word tired are spent. I have been working hard this week. I am spent. Exhausted. When the marathon ended, the young athlete was exhausted. Knackered. Betty partied all night. In the morning she was knackered. And the worn out. I can't babysit anymore. Children are a handful and I am worn out. The next one is on my last legs. No more bargain hunting today. I am on my last leg. Let's go home. So viewers, hopefully you have enjoyed the words and utilize this word in your writing and speaking, and make your writing more effective, and you can get very good bands in your IELTS speaking as well. Take a great care of yourself. All the best.